Hi, I'm Pranav. I'm presenting our work OLAF, a novel approach for multi-object multi-path segmentation. Object segmentation involves identifying and labeling individual objects in an image at the pixel level, while multi-object multi-path segmentation extends this by segmenting multiple objects and dividing each into its constituent parts, offering more detailed image analysis. Existing methods for multi-object multi-path segmentation face significant limitations, one major drawback being the inability to effectively separate the foreground from the background. For example, in this image, the previous state-of-the-art approach, float, completely failed to identify the foreground region. Another significant limitation of current methods is their struggle to accurately capture the boundaries between objects and their parts. For example, in this instance, the float approach was unable to distinguish the boundary between the car body and its various components. Another limitation is their inability in segmenting small and thin parts. For example, in this image, float completely failed to segment the car headlight. To address these challenges, we propose a three-step recipe. The first step involves augmenting the RGB input with object-based channels, such as foreground and background, and edges, which are obtained from frozen pre-trained models. The second step utilizes low-level dense feature guidance from the segmentation encoder to assist in segmenting small and thin parts. Finally, the third step of our approach employs targeted weight adaptation to ensure stable optimization with the augmented input. The first step of our recipe involves augmenting the RGB input with object-based channels, which include the foreground, background, and edges. We send this input to an object segmentation model to generate the foreground-background mask. The same input is passed through an edge segmentation model to obtain the edge mask. Finally, we concatenate the RGB image with the foreground, background, and edge masks channel-wise, creating our 5-channel input. The second step of our recipe involves utilizing low-level dense feature guidance from the segmentation encoder to assist in segmenting small and thin parts. The low-level dense features, or LDF, extracts the features from the initial layers of the backbone, where information about these small and thin parts is most prominent. These features are then processed through an Atrus spatial pyramid pooling module to capture multi-scale contextual information. Finally, we concatenate the extracted features to the decoder, enriching it with valuable insights about small and thin parts. Qualitatively, it is clear that low-level dense features significantly enhance the segmentation of small and thin parts. For instance, in the image where float previously failed to segment the car headlight, but with the incorporation of LDF, float now successfully captures it. The third step of our recipe involves targeted weight adaptation for stable optimization with our 5-channel input. We average the first layer filter weights across channels to initialize the filters for the new input channels, foreground, background, and edges. A warm-up phase of 5 epochs is included to ensure stable training. Now, let's see how our plug-and-play recipe can be integrated into existing methods, using float as an example. We'll start by adding our first ingredient, LDF. Next, we incorporate the second ingredient, which is 5-channel input setting, followed by the third ingredient, the weight adaptation technique. Qualitative examples clearly show that our plug-and-play recipe enhances the segmentation of small parts, improves foreground-background separation, and provides better edge delineation between parts and objects. Another interesting finding is that OLAF aids in segmenting occluded parts, and this improvement is consistent across all the diverse models to which it is applied. OLAF consistently enhances segmentation performance across a wide range of challenging datasets and architectures. The gains from OLAF are even more pronounced on the most challenging versions of path segmentation datasets. The MIOU gains from OLAF are consistent across various datasets and architectures. To summarize, our proposed plug-and-play recipe, OLAF, comprises 3 ingredients to enhance path segmentation. First, input augmentation to effectively teach edge and foreground cues. Second, LDF to leverage features of small and thin parts. And third, weight adaptation for stable optimization of pre-trained backbones. OLAF consistently enhances segmentation performance across a wide range of challenging datasets and architectures. Thank you.